going? I don't have the stream. I don't have the script running yet, but that's intentional because I actually I think it's probably gonna break first thing, so I haven't kicked that off yet. It did just occur to me though that I forgot to send out a quick update, so I'm going to do that hopefully before anyone actually arrives. Wouldn't it be nice if I could accomplish that? So it won't be anything clever. Um, it'll just be uh, I don't know. Uh, I'll just do as such and hit send, and then we can get started. So yeah, so today, okay, so one of the nice things about yesterday is that I think we accomplished a lot of like a lot of the stuff that I've been thinking like is really like kind of like stuff that I had to kind of get out of the way in order to get to the stuff that I wanted to get to. And the downside, though, is that as I mentioned, a lot of this stuff isn't tested yet. So let's get to testing it, I suppose. I ran overtime yesterday just trying to get some of the stuff implemented, and so I might have to like I don't know how bad this is going to be. I might have to like depending on what happens when I run this, I might have to. I was doing that stupid thing where it doesn't run. What the frick? PyCharm. PyCharm, you quasi-competent buffoon. Sorry. I don't know what I'm looking for. The test folder. Uh, PyCharm forgets about the log file sometimes, or the log script, the log rename script, which I should apparently rename to something alphabetically superior so that I don't have to scroll down through this entire thing every time I want to look at it. Probably. I'm going to do that real quick. This is why not. Um, yeah, PyCharm forgets about my log script, and because it's supposed to run the log rename script before it runs the main script, if it forgets about it, apparently its intended behavior in that case is to if I rename this, I'm probably gonna have to set up the probably gonna have to reset up the configurations or whatever, but it just doesn't run the script. It doesn't just fail to run the rename log part of the script. It just literally doesn't run the script whatsoever. So here, let's go to run edit configurations. No, stupid, go away. I said edit configurations. I don't care what you're talking about. Run edit configurations. There we go. So the configuration for wait, it still doesn't have, it still can't see. Okay, I guess I have to run this version. I have to run this script once before it can see this as a configuration. Oof. Yeah, we were talking a little bit about PyCharm yesterday, and I was trying to be optimistic and positive about it, but it's just really awful in a lot of ways. Like, it's free is the thing that I have to keep reminding myself. It's free, and therefore it's probably worth the price. Probably. No, it's just like, all right. Alright, I won't get too whiny. Because I can. I can get whiny. If I want to get whiny, I can get whiny. Let's see if it works now. Nope. Okay, well at least it's crashing. Or at least it's like failing to run, which means it at least tried to run. Alright, save that. Oh, you know what I should do too is actually no, I'll debug this, and then if I'm gonna continue with like yeah, this is why I didn't run the script, because I was pretty sure it wasn't going to work if I tried. Yakumas, hey, how's it going? Welcome. Okay, so if we can get the script up and running, I might do what I was doing yesterday with, I had like I like saved off a separate version of the script twice, so that way, yeah. I'll do some testing first, and then I'll do the thing about like saving off a separate version of the script, because actually, you know, if I get to it, I think I want to do. Did I break the script again? Come on, you know the answer to that one. uh, if I might actually get to art stuff today, and if so, I'll probably want to be restarting the script a lot just to like test out the art, how it looks, and you know, get like tweak and tune and stuff like that. So yeah, let's Yeah, sorry. I was just thinking about some things, and I think actually, um, yeah, something just occurred to me as I started to think about the next things. Like, it's not the first thing that I need to do today, but like when I get to other stuff, um, tween texts question mark. Uh, I don't know if I'm actually going to do this, but I want to try it because I think it might not be that difficult. So I'm going to wait until I prefabricate text plates because I think if I prefabricate text plates, it'll be uh, it'll be fairly easy to I don't know. Just I don't know if that's going to be necessary or anything. I was just thinking it could be nice. Okay, so no, what makes you think I'm making another environment? Did I say something that would imply that I'm making another environment? Uh, okay, so it's not crashing. That's good. And it's okay. So it probably loaded in like linked. Yeah, it did load in linked players. So uh, there's that. Um, yeah. So the things that I want to test though are the caching and like unlinking, like all the unlinking business because that was like what we changed most at the end of the day yesterday. That could like very. Uh, oh no. Okay. No, like in-game art stuff, not like not like art asset fabrication, but like in-game art iteration. And that's the thing that I restart the script for a lot, right? Like when I'm working on art, I don't even touch the script, right? When I'm working on like environments, I don't even touch the script. No, when I have the art and I'm changing the art, that's the thing. Like you've seen it 100 times before, if you've because I'm pretty sure this is not your first time watching the stream. No, that's the thing for which I restart the script a lot, and so that's what I need to that's the situation where and I really need to separate the script because I can't be constantly restarting the game. I mean, I could, but that'd be really dumb. That'd be turbo dumb. So I wouldn't do that. So what were we? Yeah. So like I'm just gonna oh, you know what? Ah, I should have I should have thought ahead because right now I don't know what my right now right now trusty bar. Oh wait. Actually no, I can test this. Yeah. No. Can I? Yeah. Uh, yeah. No, I can still test this. All right. So I'm gonna I'm gonna make it as though I like my accounts are linked. Like my account my account Binry. Okay, so it has okay, so Binry and my Twitter account are linked. At the time they were linked, my Twitter account had 814 experience points. I'm gonna say that instead, actually, at the time that they were linked, excuse me, uh, I actually had like 500. Wait, what was the number? I'm gonna say 514. So what should happen here is I'm going to I'm going to input the command to unlink the accounts, and as a result, it should give Binry an additional 300 experience points, right? Because the difference between 814, actually, it might not be exactly 300. It might be like it might be like it might be a little over 300. So because like I might have gained some experience since I ran the script. Yeah, right. Okay, so let's see. I mean, it's actually it's possibly more likely that the script will like crash or something. But in chat, I'm going to say please unlink my accounts. Um, and let's see what goes down. Oh shoot! I forgot to check how much experience I had uh, before before this happened. But maybe we can get some hint of it. Wait a second. I said please unlink my accounts and nothing happened. Isn't that? I thought that was the command. Please unlink. Oh, my account singular. Oh, but no, that's a substring of please unlink my accounts. What? Please unlink my account. Why is that not working? It's just kind of, oh, I don't know if this matters, but I'm gonna up the priority on the script. Why is this not working? I'm inclined to wonder. I mean, I can just change it to a different, I can just like, I can run a different test, but like, it's weird that this isn't working, because this itself not working is like an indication of something kind of wrong. So, weird, first of all, and, alright, so I'm just gonna like restart the script. I honestly don't care right now. Um, so like when this triggers, let's say print uh, so like account unlink registered or whatever. I don't care. Just summoned. Actually, maybe it did work. No, if it worked, it would have done. Hypothetically, if it worked, it would have done other things. Um, uh, can I say in instead of is? Okay. What's in the problem here? I think this in a matter of I don't understand the question, but I just technically obliged. Yeah, no, I don't know what in the problem here. Um, uh, so I'm just gonna restart the script. I do not care. Uh, what? Can I access the file because it's shut your stupid face. Shut your dirty face. Oh man, PyCharm has some like super serious issues. Um, oh, I wouldn't want to. Wait. I am for one thing. I am saying in, and if you have the question backwards, can I say is instead of in? Like, why would I want to do that? Um, why did the script not restart? Everything is going super great today. So great. I'm so thrilled about all these things. Now, I mean, I kind of knew some of this was coming. Because it's just not registering it. It's just not even saying account unlink registered. All right. Well, oh, this is the tweet half of it. All right. So of course it wouldn't. That wouldn't have changed anything. Let's go to the Twitch half. Because like, why is this not evaluating? Okay, so let's rerun the script again. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. Wait, what is it? What are you complaining about now? Oh, whoops! I didn't indent that. Yeah. Whoops. Stop. Stop, you jerk. Terrible jerk. Everything's a jerk today. It's officially jerk day. Apparently. All right. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I don't care. I don't care right now. Uh, I don't know if this is clear, Yakumus, but I actually don't like the whole backseat, like, the whole, like, alright, so it is registering the account on link, it's just, so it is presumably, like, actually going in here. Why is it not, like, doing anything in here? Is it, like, did it do something the first time and it just didn't do what I expected it to do, and then, oh, look, wait, it made a cache for this player. Why does this player have a cache all of a sudden? Maybe it is trying to do something. That is the new follower sound. Days Flash, how's it going? Welcome. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for following. Um, so it made a cache for this player for some reason. I actually don't know why it made that cache. It still says these accounts are linked though, right? Like it didn't seem to update this file at all. So that's weird. Link. Yeah, it still says the accounts are linked. Does it say Binry is still linked? And why would it have made a cache for that player? If anything, it should have made a cache for Binry. Okay, so it did unlink. Okay, this is weird. Alright, so let's go to unlink, because like clearly this is not entirely finished. Why is it only unlinking Why is it only unlinking one half? Link E. Oh, we're not rewriting the link E L data. Is that it? All right. Well, for starters, I'll just restore the linked state between these two accounts. Do do do. Uh, no, where am I going? Players. Do do do. Link or well, yeah, whatever. I don't actually have to open that. No, it's this tag. So we'll say link. Yeah. So let's put back in the link file here. Oh, I'll have to restart the script at some point, but whatever. I don't care. And then yeah, so we're linked to this character. Why did it give a cache to? Why did it give a cache to my Twitter account and not to? All right, all these things and more, all these answers and more. Right. So we're opening. No, we are opening. We're opening Linky. All right. Well, let's put in some like additional information. So before we do this stuff, let's print link E, and there's no way that whatever. Doesn't make sense, but I don't really care right now. It can make as little sense as it wants to not make. I didn't get like tweeted at about the account unlinkage, did I? Let me just check real quick. No, I did not. Okay. So what else do we want to see here? So like, let's also print, so like pens, just to keep track of what these things are. Let's print these things. Let's also look at link E. So like print link E and this path, I suppose, which should hypothetically be the same thing, and then also and then what else? Like, what other information do I want here? Did I just get these backwards? Did I like do the give cache where I was supposed to do the take cache and vice versa? Let me just check this real quick. So first we open the account that we're unlinking. First we open its link data, and then we look for the case where if first line equals exclamation point linked. So this shouldn't have evaluated, because like Binry was not linked. Wait a second. No, Binry was linked to that account. Oh, yeah, no, I set it up the opposite way. And then I kind of forgot about that. No, the half that has the pound link or the exclamation point linked, that that's the half that receives the cache. So yeah, so I put these backwards. I did the give when I meant to do the get, and vice versa. So if right, it's the player with linked that's supposed to get the cache. So wait, is this even complete? This doesn't look like enough code right here. Cache gain. No, I didn't even finish writing this. What the heck? Whoops. All right. Well, so apart from those things, so it did seem like it was kind of working, except for the fact that it was super broken and not at all working. Um, other than those things. All right. Actually, let me just check real quick. So like the cache that we got for this player was 15. Would that have been accurate? Because like the link said 514. No, that would imply that Binry's experience is no. That's so the math there isn't correct. So the math is wrong, and like a ton of other things are wrong too. But like I don't know. It didn't crash. There's that. So yeah. So no. So if the first line in this is linked, this is actually like the take. This is not the give. Um, so here we'll want to do. What is it that we want to do here? If name and player set. Oh no, wait, we are doing this correctly. Are we? Yeah, no, no, no. No, we do add it to the correct account, do we? Yeah, we try and add we try. No, 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 no. Okay, no. Oh, yeah, yeah, no, we're totally doing it wrong. Uh, we need to do this for link E. Right. Okay, okay. Right, because this is just the part where we're getting the data. Right, 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 right. Oh, so the other. Oh, so the magic happens like down here or something. I don't know. We'll see. Um. All right. So let's let's do what? So right. So instead of doing name here. Oh wait, wait, wait. Oh, so we shouldn't be doing this math yet because we still haven't even checked if the link is reciprocal. No, the links are always going to be reciprocal. The whole like non-reciprocal linkage thing like that will be outmoded once I finish this. So we can assume reciprocity. Uh, so should I should I even should is this even where I like should be saving that data? Like it's possible that instead of saving the data on like the linked half, I should be saving it on like the other half. Like instead of saving it on the primary account, I should be saving it on the secondary account because the secondary account is the one that actually gets the cache. But I guess I put it there because it's based on that player's. So wait, the one with pound linked is the primary. So wait, we do want to look at the primary's experience value, and we want to give it to the secondary. Okay. So this is the primary. So we are reading their experience points. So that is actually correct. Uh, and then what was this about? Oh yeah, yeah. So we're either reading their current experience or we're reading their experience data file. So I don't know. I guess once we've done either of those things, let's say print primary uh, exp and then cur exp and then or actually we can yeah whatever that's fine or actually let's do this actually immediately after we calculate cache gain and just print that instead. uh, we'll print cache gain. Yeah, actually we'll print all of them. I mean I don't have to print cache gain if I'm going to print cur exp as well as int first lines, but whatever. Current exp minus int first lines. Yeah, that's correct, right? That's like the current experience, because the number that gets saved here is the amount of experience they had at the time their accounts were linked. And so we want to subtract the difference between how much experience is currently had versus how much experience was had at the time of linkage. And that's how much has been gained during the time of linkage. So, uh, uh, um, uh, wait, what? Why did it say 6733? Um, I'm guessing. I'm guessing there's something wrong with multi events, so I should look into that. I'm guessing it's not calculating the maximum max actions. I'm guessing that's not working out quite right, because that shouldn't have been 67-33. It should have been 50-50, right? Because everyone chose both uproot and corral. Um, okay, so that's fun too. I kind of have that task in the queue already. Switch multi to max actions. I'll just say like uh, is currently broken. I should probably move this a little higher up on the list. All right. So, all right. So we crack open the primary accounts data. We get their current experience. No, wait, no. No, we have their right because we've cracked open this file. We have lines index 2, which is the initial experience, or like experience at time of linkage. We get their current experience, and then I guess, well, so this math is wrong, or like the other math is wrong. Like, wait, hold on. It was the. Wait a second. That's just crazy sauce. Why would I have? No, 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 because this is the primary. No, no, no. Okay, not crazy sauce. Okay, sorry. I keep. Oof. As I mentioned before, the whole linkage system ties my brain in a knot like no other system. So no, this half wouldn't have even evaluated last time. Like in the test that I was running previously, it wouldn't have been this. It would have been, if anything, this. Oh, and am I just like not doing anything in this scenario? That might explain why seemingly nothing happened. Um, Linky. No, I guess no. I think. Yeah, no. So we come down here. It's not that we're not doing anything here. It's just that we don't need to do anything here. You're right. Okay, so then we come down here. Linky equals something something, and os path dot exists linky. So we haven't even. Oh, we have started referencing linky here. Oh, so we don't have to. Yeah, like if these things are going to be reciprocal, then like we don't have to check for the existence of this data, because this data will always exist, because the links will be reciprocal, right? Yeah, yeah. Because yeah, I mean, if Linky's, uh, if Linky is non-zero or like it's not empty, and that file doesn't exist, that's indicative of like a different problem. So, um, I might have to like run a script to like make sure that all the data is intact, because I think for a little while I was making it so that these like the data points are non-reciprocal. Um, but yeah. Um, excuse me. Okay, if link e not equals blank, so then okay, so all we know here is that we have the link e. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, all we know here is that we got the link e. So now we have to crack open the link e's data, and we have to again look for like the linked whatever. I feel like I must just like missed a chunk or something. I don't know. I feel like this can't be satisfactory because like I don't even do anything with cache gain after this point. So why am I even calculating cache gain here? I guess I just forgot to put it in. That's funny. I don't know. I guess I was just tired at the end of the day yesterday. Uh, so let's so with players link key, link text, ldata. So lines. I should probably like clean up the data format so that like I don't know, so that it's like a little clearer in my mind or something. But like I don't know. I'll just go with this for now. I think I'm not far off. Okay, so with open, players linky link text as ldata. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna real quick before I forget. I just want to look at the how it was processing the. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It was like I said. It recognized uproot and corral, but the max actions thing must be like misfiring because it didn't recognize uproot. It was just it. So like in the new system, it goes with the last one that you said. So it processed both, and then it went with corral because for some reason it was thinking that the max actions is not 2, but instead just 1, apparently. So I'll have to, yeah, I'll have to fix that. Okay. Right. So like before, we crack open Linky. I mean, yeah, actually, at this point, we do like basically just like before. So this whole thing about like this whole chunk here, we can do, but basically just like slightly inverted, right? Because this is the case where, wait, where's this happens directly? Oh, this happens directly after cache gain. So tab, shift tab. Yeah. So if cache gain is greater than 0, but we changed some stuff here, because in this case we're not curious if link E is in the the player set. We're curious if name is in the player set, because again it's like the inversion. So if name in the player dictionary, name add Twitter experience name, or add experience Twitter name cache gain false, and then so again here, yeah, so we'll open the names cache folder, and in this case, like the name, like for the linky, it's actually fairly uncommon that the player actually will be in the player dictionary or in the player set. In this case, it'll actually be much less common. It'll be almost impossible that the player's not in the player set, but I guess it is technically possible. No, that is actually technically possible. No, maybe that is more. Actually, maybe that's more common than I think. Yeah, I don't really care, but we're covering all the bases. um, so, so now this should be good, hypothetically, I guess. No, but this still doesn't explain why did it make the cache for. It made a cache for link E. It made a cache for my Twitter account when my Twitter account had been the primary. Why did it make that cache? Maybe it didn't make that cache. No. No, I know what that cache is from. It's from something completely different. Right. So it just didn't make any cache. It didn't add any experience because I hadn't added that section in yet. Okay. So now if I restart the script, then the test could actually work, hypothetically. Did I reset the data correctly? So like the link data here, yeah, 514 or whatever. The link data here. Okay. So let's. I'm going to restart the script, and let's try this again. So please unlink my account. Account unlink registered, but then nothing else. It didn't like print any of that other information. What did it do to the data? Okay, so it got rid of that data. Keep it in editor, no. And again, it didn't do anything to this data. I might still be missing a few steps, but like I feel like something should have happened there. Did it make a cache? No. It didn't make a cache. It didn't add experience, or I assume it didn't add experience. I was at like 800 something experience before, so yeah, I'm still at 864. Oh yeah, no, it wouldn't have affected that. It wouldn't have affected the experience file directly. It would have. Well, no, it would have affected the experience file directly if my player was in the game, and he was, in fact. So I don't know, man. I guess I just need more information. So yeah. Or is there just, I don't know, maybe there's like a subtle typo or something. Um, uh, doo -doo -doo. So let's do what? Let's like print. Okay, well, so it's deleting. It is removing that one file. So it's at least evaluating what line of text. It's at least getting down to. Oh, whoa. Whoops. Wait a second. This is not just only supposed to happen on fix-up. Oh no, remove player. Oh no, remove player. Yeah, no, that's different actually. No, where's it removing that folder? Or am I not using remove? Am I using the dot unlink? Which would be funny. No, how's that file disappearing? Hey, that's the new folder. Nice. Earthy Waffle, welcome to the channel. Welcome, or thank you for following. Um, uh, how is that file disappearing? I'm not using like os.remove. I'm not using os.unlink, which would have been hilarious if I'd been using os.unlink. Um, uh, what are all my references to like os commands in here? os.path exists, os.path exists, os.path exists, os.path exists. What the heck? Nowhere in here. How did that file disappear? Nowhere in here am I actually removing a file. That's creepy as all heck. Oh yeah, SideQuest is the game at the bottom of the screen, and it's also the game that we're working on right now. So, yeah, it's like so all you really need to know in order to play it is that Trusty Bard is the storyteller. So if you follow along what Trusty Bard says in chat, and there are also on-screen cues as well, then you should be good to go. But let me know if you do have questions. So if os.path.exists, no, what the heck? How is it erased? How is it deleting that file? I'm freaked out. Like the one thing the one thing it does, in fact, I don't understand how it does. I mean, maybe it's like if you write an empty file, it like just doesn't or something. Um, uh, So like maybe that's like a thing. I don't know if that is a thing. I have no reason necessarily to think that is a thing, except that maybe that's what we're seeing. Python write file empty string. Like what does that do? Is that empty string? If read, I don't care about read. I don't care about write. No, I don't care about read. No one cares about read. Stop telling me about read. Writing empty string to text file in Python. Oh, R plus is read write mode. Interesting. I'll use and write update the file's position. No, I don't. All right, I'll just run a test then. I'll just say so file new Python file test write empty. So I'm just gonna go to my test folder. Go into a test folder and let's do projects journey. Here I'm gonna do an event now, just because I don't know. Like the script is like in a weird state today, so I don't know when if we're gonna be getting events consistently. So I might as well like cram them in there whenever. Yeah. All right. So new text document test.txt. Let's just make this say like, I don't know, any old thing, like blah blah blah, non-empty. Okay. I mean, writing an empty string, like I don't see how that would delete the file, because how else would you write a file to like not contain anything? So like import os OS or with open. Actually, I guess wait. Do I like not even need OS to like just open files? With open test.txt for writing as pdata. Oh no! I know why it's going away. I know why it's going away. It's because of the other thing that I put in. So unlink is like doing. It's probably happening in two steps. It's probably getting written out. Yeah, probably. Yeah, because okay, so just to run the test. So pdata dot write. If I write the empty string, all that's gonna happen here is it's gonna just update it to be the empty string, right? So now if I look at this, if I look at test.txt, where's test.txt? It's just no, it's not even. What the heck? Test.txt as pdata. What? What the crap? What the crap? Oh, is it like in a subfolder? No. Right. Oh, it's not here though either. Oh, okay. Did I put it in the wrong folder or something? Did I put it like out here or something? Where the crap did I put this like write empty file? Where did it go? Write empty? Yeah, where'd you go? Open file location. Oh, whoops. I put it in test log test. Oh, stupid freaking. Alright. PyCharm is a jerk in a lot of ways. It's not a jerk in every way. It could still be worthwhile, but it's a jerk in a lot of ways, let me tell you. A lot of ways. Alright, let's try this one more time. Are you kidding me? Die in a fire, you stupid garbage program. So annoying. All right, so let me. I'm pretty sure I know what's happening here. I'm pretty sure it's that the data is getting removed. So yeah, so let's go to the add player or like real name. Os dot remove. Yeah, yeah. It's like when we're clearing out this link data that Yeah, when we're like when we're checking a player's real name, we should not be writing data out here. We should not write out data. This is not an opportunity to write out data. This is just an opportunity to be reading in data. So what is it that we're writing here? Lines index 1? Oh, yeah. No, so this else case, I'm just going to get rid of it. And I'm pretty sure this is what was happening. I'm pretty sure it was getting unlinked. It was getting unlinked, and the file was probably getting updated correctly, but then, yeah, I don't know. So, yeah, so in that case, let's get rid of that, and then this case, let's get rid of this. Doo-doo-doo. Uh, so, let's, that's the only place that I was writing and reading that stuff, right? So, all right, I'm gonna set up the data again, restart the script, and see what happens now. So now, like, even less things should happen. Like, it should basically just like completely not work instead of just partially not working. All right, so that's good. Close these. Don't care about that stuff. So it's once again new text document link.txt. Oops, not link.txt.txt, just link.txt. And let's oh yeah, so let's set it equal to this here. Save that. Okay, so yeah, let's restart the script. Trusty Bard is having quite a time. Oh, what's happening here then? Concatenate string and none type? How's name none type? That's not realistic. Why is why does it think cannot concatenate string and none type? Why would it think name is none? How on earth would it get that idea? Uh, I mean, these code paths should not be evaluating because these are just like link and unlink. Uh, it should just be the thing that, so if it's crashing on trusty bar getting added, then well, maybe it's not crashing on trusty bar. Um, oh, maybe it's yeah, maybe real name is now returning null for some reason. But why would real name be returning null? Um, I mean, I assume it has something to do with the data that we just set up here. Link. Uh, oh, is it because I'm was I not supposed to? Maybe I commented out too much stuff. Maybe yeah. Oh, I'm not returning name in these cases. Yeah, I commented out too much here. Do, do, do. Right. We still want to do these things, right? Oops. A little over eager. Uh, or wait, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Wait a second. No, 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 no. No, that's not right. No, that shouldn't matter. Because link file path is the link data. And if the link data exists, then... Oh, no, that's not necessarily true. No, yeah, no. Well, that shouldn't fix what we just saw. But it is still true that just because the link file path exists doesn't necessarily mean that the accounts are linked. Because we also use the same file path for the potential linkage, like pending links, which maybe we shouldn't, but that's how I'm doing it for now. So um, maybe I should change that. Yeah, maybe I should change that, but I'm not going to do that right now. That doesn't explain why it crashed though, because there are no pending links. Expected indent. Oh, right. I can't have the else cases commented out. Right. Do, do, do. So, wait, is that valid? Yeah. Oh, right. No, wait, no. That's super not valid, right? Link E. Wait, what is it? What is link file path in this context? Oh yeah. No, that's super broken. I shouldn't have to handle those cases. So let's just fix that, I guess, because no, that's just super broken. So let's actually, yeah, no, let's keep those cases deactivated because like I actually don't want to handle those cases because like those shouldn't be valid. Right, because no, we're not checking if the link data exists. We're checking if we've already checked if the link data exists. We're checking if oh, okay. No, so actually what I should be checking here is if link E not equals blank and that because there is right. So in the case where like it's just pending, then we could have this file, but we won't have link E. So this should be fine. Yeah, this should be fine. Um, oh wait, what are we doing here though? What is this linked dictionary name equals name business? Oh, Oh, wait. Oh, okay. We set link dictionary name equal name, so this line is actually redundant. We don't have to do that. It was just this one that was missing previously, I think. Wait, hold on. If line 0 equals name. Oh, wait, what? Hey, Mr. Earlier, how's it going? Welcome. Uh, um, the thing, so setting link dictionary name equal name here should be redundant because we should already be doing it here. Uh, oh, wait, no. Wait, yeah, hold on. Am I even handling the case where, oh, whoa. Wait, am I even handling the case of linked accounts properly? Like in the case that like players are reverse linked, I do still want to recognize them as linked. So else link e equals line 0. Wait, so if line 0 in pending linked line 0 is line 0 index 0. Okay. No, so this whole case only evaluates if right. Okay, yeah, no, so this is just this okay, this is actually yeah, no. So this is not redundant. This is because this case is just to handle the case wherein the player has like a pending link status. Um or the link data is blank for some reason, which it shouldn't be. There should be no situation in which case the link data is just blank. So I should probably remove this case. Um yeah. Okay, so did I fix anything or did I just look at stuff and then not change anything? I forget. Let's see what the script does right now. Does it still do that weird crash thing? Uh, yes, it does. Cannot concatenate string and none type objects. So let's see where things are going wrong. So for one thing, let's print name and handle. Uh, Name and handle. Just see what is it even crashing on? Is it like Trusty Bard? Name and handle. No, Trusty Bard seemed to work. Whoa, what? Oh no, these are all inter. I don't like that. Now that I'm printing from two threads at the same time, the messages get like spliced together. So it's not, yeah, so it's definitely crashing on me. Why though? That's like anyone's guess. Um, I guess actually no, it'd be because real name is returning. So yeah, so for me now that did I mess up the format for like linkage? Like, am I not setting up my fake data correctly? Is this not how like linked data is supposed to look? Let me double check. Let's look at like link.txt for like any other player, like this player, for example, this player linked. Oh yeah, wait, no. For other players are linked in the other direction. So let's look at it for a Twitter account. This account. Yeah, no, it just says the player's name. So what the heck? What the literal heck? I mean the fact that oh, maybe it was maybe the reason like none of the unlink stuff was actually getting processed is because maybe it was actually unlinking my accounts prematurely. Maybe as soon as it like ran these checks, it was unlinking like right off the bat. I guess I could check the data logs because if that was if that would be the case, then we would have gotten these prints, like these stale data cleared or whatever. If those weren't showing up in the logs though, then that probably wouldn't be the explanation. So let's see. Let's sort by date modified. No, these super recent ones are the ones that we just ran. So let's look at not the most recent, but like I don't know, like this one maybe. Stale link. No. Ah. Oh yeah, no. So maybe this whole deal was not even what was maybe this wasn't even what was causing that data to get removed, but like this is the only time that I can think that we actually say to remove that link data. I mean, I guess I could look. Well, so I want to figure out why this is now broken, but oh, you know what? Considering everything that I'm doing with like crazy stuff right now, I should probably just make like a version of the script that works. Yeah, I'll just like, I mean, this version of the script is like weird and broken and not good, but at least this version of the script works. So I'm just gonna save out this version of the script, and then we can go do crazy other stuff, and at least we'll have a version. At least we'll have the script running while we work, right? So so let's get rid of run and run orig. Delete those. So I've saved this like a million times. I'm mashing Control S right now. Um, do we need this like? Oh, we can get rid of load test now. We probably don't need ArtMaker, but I'm gonna keep it around right now for no particular reason. So what else? Like journey run and journey run orig. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Now we have at least a copy of the script that we can run. So let's minimize that, and open this, and run this. Oops. I did not mean to do that. I don't even know what I did. Debug, journey run. No, don't do that. No, don't debug it. Don't debug it. Oh, you terrible, terrible jerk. I hate you. Alright, well, I'll give it a second because it just started to run, and so it probably connected to IRC, and so if I run it now, it's probably not going to populate the player list correctly, but we'll get back to that in just a second. And then, alright, so let's re-disable. I'm hitting Control Y and it doesn't want to re-disable because it's apparently, like, just, it's not done being a completely terrible piece of, I hate it. It's just, okay. So since I'm getting, yeah, I was just saying, like, since I'm getting rid of these conditionals, oh, wait. Oh, right, so since I added in the whole, like, link e equals blank thing, I actually do need this else case. This one I do now want to keep. But that wouldn't have been the problem. I do want to get rid of the whole, link, like, stale link data clearing, blah, blah, blah. But, yeah. I don't know, man. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I know why I can't have a second version of the script running, because I have to run this version in order to test the data and stuff like that. So, never mind. I lied. Sorry. Today's just going to be a really, like, unimpressive script running or not running sort of day. Okay, so it's not crashing anymore, so that's good. It's not good, actually. It's not, like, actually good, but it's, like, slightly less, like, slightly less pathetic, I guess. I don't know. Because, like, I'm guessing it didn't confirm me as linked, I'm guessing. Reverse, yeah, it didn't recognize, my reverse linkage. Did it think I was regular linked? Binary, add player binary. It just didn't recognize the linkage at all, which is dumb. Why is it not recognizing the linkage? Whatever. I'm just gonna. Um, this is so annoying to test. Ugh. There's no good way to test it. It'd be, be preferable as if it just like stopped being dysfunctional and instead just worked, so that we could stop having to test it. That'd be nice. Why is it not linking? Why is it not linking? Oh, I know what to do. Maybe I'll just let's go into version control and because like, am I not? I feel like I feel like this would have to mean that I'm not restoring the linked data file correctly, because I am technically doing it. I'm doing it manually, but like I should be doing it manually and correctly. So maybe I'm just not doing it correctly. Players binary. Where's binary? Where's link.txt? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, that one I changed intentionally. This one didn't exist? That doesn't make sense. What does this question mark mean? Not tracked? What do you mean not tracked? Ah! How about just one thing works? How about just one thing works and then we can make everything else work from that foundation? How about that? Like, wouldn't that be neat? um, nope, it's a concerted effort for just stupid garbage stuff. Um, with open pfpath, that being pfpath being the linked data path, as end data, we read in lines as that data. We split them. We split lines on new line character. We split lines. We split line as the first index, split on space character. Line index 0. If line index 0 is either pending or linked, then blah blah blah. Nope, not that case. Else, link e equals line 0. All right. So print. I am not illiterate. I might have misspelled illiterate, which is great. Hopefully I did not. I probably misspelled it. I'll leave that in just for the sake of irony. Let's print out link e just to prove that we're not like that the program is not complete like refuse. So did that work? Nope, it didn't get to that point. How did it not get to that point? I mean, it's kind of hard to tell. How about the number 6? What is my ID? It's like 6085. 6085. Oh, I'm not literate. There it is. Okay. Okay. Add player 6085. Wait, is it not working? Is it? Oh, and it's not doing that crash anymore either? I put in a print and now it just started working. I put in a print statement and now it just started working. This is literally not the first time this has happened. It's a really good thing I don't swear on stream, because the next 10 minutes would be devoted just to swearing. I swear. I swear. Or I don't swear, rather. It just started working. I put in a print, and like, it's like, oh no, he put in a print. Now he can prove that I'm stupid and not working, and so then it just works instead. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Because I feel validated now, right? It's like I like sometimes I like in my head like I'm complaining, And I recognize that I'm complaining, but I think to myself, like, I'm complaining, but I feel like I'm actually right. And sometimes I'm complaining and I'm actually right. So there you have it. Um, Up until this point, it literally was just like ridiculous garbage. Um, and of course, if I now that I took out the print, if I run it again, it's gonna give us that error. No, it 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 better not. Okay, no, it's just fixed now because so we have like the reverse link and everything. No, it's still not recognizing the reverse link. Oh, is it doing? Wait, well, it stopped crashing. So like now I don't know if I should bother to pursue this any further. Because it so yeah, so with the @6. Wait, now it's just not printing it at all. Oh, did it delete the delete the link data again for no particular reason? Like I'm like at this point I'm looking up things that don't make sense. Like usually I try and like track down like, well, okay, so if something's gone wrong, let's start with the sense. No, at this point, it's like, what's the like most ridiculous, like dumb thing that could be happening right now? Okay, so it wasn't that. It did still keep that. But yeah, it seems like sometimes it does load in the what was it? It was 608, 608, 5. It's hard to tell because like I'm printing from. I should probably just stop printing from like both threads because like it makes it really hard to tell if no, it just like didn't add my player to the game this time. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Um yeah, no, maybe for temporary, just for the sake of like trying to figure this crap out, I should like get rid of some of the other data prints. Wait a second though. Yeah. So I'll just for the time being I'll just stop printing. What is it that I actually print from that thread that's like interfering with this stuff? Oh, I print all of like the that's not gonna work very well. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna like keep restarting the script. Just because I'm curious at this point. It's like what ridiculously dumb things can it do now? Well, it stopped crashing. It went through that phase. That phase is now over. It stopped adding. Did it really stop adding me to the game? Am I like not in the game anymore? There are a lot of players in the game, so it's hard for me to tell. Um, Wait, is it? Oh, it's just adding me regularly? It's just adding me as like a player? No, 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 no. That's something else. No, no, no. That's just karma data that's loading in. Am I in the simulation? I should probably pay attention if I want to find out whether I am or not. Everyone's in lurker mode, so they're like no name tags showing up. What do I even look like? I think I look like an archer. No, I look kind of like a mystic. I think I got my hood and possibly my kilt as well. Oh, so there's Trusty Bard. Oh, is that me? Yeah. Okay, so I am in the game, but I'm not linked, or I am linked, and it's just like weird, or like no. What on earth is happening here? Um. Uh. Yeah. So like, let's look for link or so let's see where it adds Trusty Bard in because it should add me right after it adds Trusty Bard or like right before it adds Trusty Bard. Uh oh no, that's something different. Okay, yeah, name and handle Trusty Bard lurking. Did it just not add me? Oh, name and handle Binry. Yeah, I have to get rid of the prints on the other thread for now because like I'm like I just rely too heavily on this information. So um, I mean I could just like debug instead. Uh, I could like line break here, or I could like breakpoint here. Yeah, maybe I'll try that. Um, should break pretty soon, right? Because it should break as soon as it tries to add me to the. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so step. How do I step? It's like step, step into. No, step over. Uh, do do do. So, oh, so that's weird. It jumped all the way down here. For some reason it evaluated, so it stepped back. Can I do that? Step back, not a real thing. Hold on, wait, let's try this again. Uh, redebug, rebug. Have I ever thought of having some music in the background? Do you want the 5 hour rant about how I feel about music, or do you just want me to tell you yes and no? Um, take your pick. Wait, why didn't it? It didn't break this time. Or is it that it is broken and it's just the data? It doesn't mute the graphics because the data thread. Wait, hold on. So let's debug this. Because I just in the background I could see the graphics still running, and I wasn't sure if that meant that it didn't break. Oh no, it is breaking, but the graphics still run in the background because they're on another thread. All right, sure. Um, I'm listening to music right now, Mr. Ilu, and you should too. I, 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 seriously, like play music. Like if you want to hear music, play freaking music. All right, sorry, I'm gonna be a little bit salty right now because I'm like really freaking annoyed, and this is one of my hot issues. So like, if you want me to yell at you, continue. If you don't want me to yell at you, like, now's not the right time. Um, uh, link E equals. What is LF path? LF path is blank. What is L? Oh, I'm an idiot. Yeah, no. In the case that I'm setting link E here, I'm not setting link. Okay. No, I'm just an idiot. All right. I mean, other things suck and are crazy, but like I'm also an idiot. I'm complicit in the idiocy occurring in this scenario. Uh, so that's good. How did anything work before this? Like, how did literally anything work? Like before right now. um, so now let's see what happens. Um, I am banning you forever, Mr. Ilu. You are permabanned. You are permabanned forever. Permabanned forever. Uh, okay, you're unbanned now. You're not banned anymore. Um, okay. So yeah, what the heck? What? All right, now what? Okay, wait. So now hypothetically the game should be running. So like, let's see if it reverse linked. No. Well, it still doesn't say. It still doesn't say. Oh, confirm link reverse. What the heck? I keep search. I just typed in REV. Oh, it's because I have match case on. That's why like all my searches were like turning up. Okay, so that's part of that. So it is link confirmed reverse. So now what's going to happen if I do the please unlink my accounts? Please unlink my account. Uh, uh, so now what happens? Okay, now it crashes. All right, so now we're getting somewhere. Look at these brave new crashes that we're getting. So I just crashed the data thread, so I'm gonna stop the script. Sorry. I'll try and like run the script in a way that doesn't crash and that we can actually like play an event at some point, but not yet. Open LF path. No such file or directory. Players binary. No, wait, what? Shut your stupid face. No such file or directory exists. Oh, player. I typed player, not players. Ugh. All right. Actually, just I'm gonna do a quick. That's not the first time I've made this typo, so I'm just gonna do a quick sweep. If there are any other instances, yeah, yep. Players, not player. Yep. Play. Oh well, yeah. So here's an example. Oh, that's in deactive code, but whatever. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Oh wait, actually, I might have the data might have gotten messed up when I did that. What does the link data look like? That link data still looks okay. That link data still looks okay. All right, so this should still be a valid test case. So I'm sorry, I'm going to be spamming in chat for a little while. Please unlink my account until it works. Which could be, oh, account unlink registered, no crash. So that should have added hypothetically, yeah, primary XP 315. So let's see if my experience, oh, it made a cache. But it made a cache of the correct amount. So I don't know why it made a cache. Am I not in the game anymore? Did it remove me from game? I don't think it should have removed me from the game. No, if it had removed me from the game, huh. Okay, so I don't know why it made the cache instead of just applying the experience directly to my character. But at least we're getting somewhere. Wait, why would it have done that? So it got the primary XP, it got the linky, it got the penned. No, not here. It got the primary XP, it got the link E, it got the primary XP, link E, it got the, oh, wait. Wait, if it did, if it did the primary account, or the primary XP before it did the link E, and before it did the penned, okay, that means we came down this path. Wait. Right, because the only way it could have done the primary EXP before the link E is if it evaluated down this path. Is that accurate? Oh, I should check out what it did to the link. Oh yeah, no, in the thing it told me it changed the link. Okay. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it wrote these as blank. Right. So I need to yeah, I should, like I said before, I don't want to leave like blank link data just lying around, so I will want to remove those files instead. But I'll do that in a second. So like okay, so most of it is working now. Most of it. Yeah, that's good. Oh, speaking of, I was saying I would try and find an opportunity to actually like run an event. So here, there's an event. Sorry for all the delays. Uh, uh, because I'm not as annoyed, I will say, Mr. Illy, uh, if I will answer your question about I will answer your question about music right now. If literally every person in chat, if literally every person in the entire channel right now says in chat their top 3 reasons why they like electronic dance music. If not everyone in chat can come up with 3 reasons why they like electronic dance music, then you have your answer as to why we don't have a global music going on right now, and why instead every individual person gets to listen to their own music right now. That should probably be enough for you to understand like why on earth we would not put music in this channel. I mean, it should have been obvious before you asked the question, frankly. But like I said, I'm less annoyed. I'm not fully unannoyed. So, all right. Am I using IRC to get Twitch info? Yes. Well, I'm using IRC to get chat info. I'm using web calls to get to get like some ancillary information and data and stuff like that. Um, um, uh, what is it that we're looking for? We're looking, yeah. So I'm curious now why it made the cache instead of. So we got the primary XP thing. So if link E in player set, for some reason it didn't think the link E was in the player set. Why did it not think link E in player set? Oh, because I wasn't. Oh, because I wasn't. Oh. So it should have removed me from game? Wait a second. I wasn't in the player set. I'm not in the player set. Oh, yikes. Wait a second, though. Whoa, 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 wait. What should have happened here? Okay, yeah, so the reason I wasn't in the player set is because oh, yeah. I I was this my IRC or my Twitch account was the uh you know you can change your thing at any time. Look at this. Here, look. Left, uh right, uh left, but this time with text. Like those, like it changes. It literally, I don't know. Um People seem to think that they can't change their answer. Like it seems to be the assumption in SideQuest that you can't change your answer, which frankly, like I no comment as to like why people assume that. But like if you think about the version of SideQuest where you can't change your answer, that's stupid. That's literally a stupid game. So like whenever people assume that, like what I get out of that is like people assumed I made a stupid game. And in that case it's like screw you, frankly. But like no, I just like not to speak to why people assume that. I just don't under freaking stand it. Like I'm still a little bit annoyed, so I'm going to be speaking in like slightly using slightly stronger uh emphasis than is perhaps merited. But like what the frick? Like who would make a game that deliberately stupid? I guess is my question. And I don't know. Apparently everyone assumes I would, but like you know what? Screw those people. They're the idiots, in my opinion. All right, I'll stop. um uh so if yeah, so link. So okay, this is actually correct in that it actually was supposed to create the cache. Um, but then, so I guess like hypothetically, instead, what happened incorrectly was the we didn't correctly remove we didn't remove like the former binary from the game, and we didn't add the oh I still have away mode on. Wait, no, I don't. Away mode was not on. Weird. Maybe we were literally just right at the edge of the transition window or something. Weird. Whatever, I don't care. Um, all right, so let's let's look at why it's not removing the players correctly. So yeah, so this whole add player, remove player business, this is like what's supposed to be handling that. Um, if link dictionary name, so yeah, so if link dictionary name not equals name, that's the case where. Oh wait, am I just making a false assumption here? Oh, I might just be making like some incorrect assumptions here. So let's see. If name not in link dictionary. Um, if name not in link dictionary, um, uh, I will or sorry, I will is it really name that we care about here? No, you know what we should be doing instead here? We should be like unraveling name. We should say, oh, source. Source? Oh, source. We have source data. Maybe we should be leaning on source more heavily. Or no, I guess we probably are. All right, so let's look at the logic that we have in place. So if linked dictionary name not equal name, uh, if linked dictionary index name not equals name and source equal Twitch, we add player, else we add player Twitter. That actually seems kind of correct. If linked dictionary, because in this case, name is the name of my Twitter account, but the source came through as Twitch. So if linked dictionary index name, oh, not equals name. No, no, no. That's not what we want to be checking. We don't care if name equals name. Or maybe we do, but I guess that's not the case that I care about. So let's look at the other case. If name in backlink dictionary, this is the case. So if name in backlink dictionary, yeah, right, because the Twitter name, the name of my Twitter account would be in the backlink dictionary, referencing my Twitch account. So, uh, so, oh, why? Oh, we're just not handling that case for some reason. If name in backlink dictionary, we only do if source not equal Twitch. What about if source equal Twitch? Why are we not handling that case? Alright, so I guess that's all we have to do. Wait a second. Name is always going to be in linked dictionary. Oh, but it's not always going to be... No, it's link... No, name is always going to be in linked dictionary as name. Because, like, name was the command and these accounts were linked in the first place. Oh, no... No, you know what we should do is we should filter out the scenario. Yeah, we do already somewhat handle the scenario where the accounts were. Yeah, if we do already handle the case where, yeah, if link e equals blank. Oh yeah, okay. So this if link e equals blank business thing, all of this can go in if link e equals blank. Now that I think about it. Because if link e equals blank, uh, where do we set link e? No, yes, if link e equals blank, that means that they were never actually linked in the first place. So great. So if link equals blank, we can like the whole fix-up business can all be like a subset of link e equaling like something other than blank. Right. And then I think I can stop handling like some weird cases that like the whole name equals name business or like linked dictionary name equals name, like that's all meaningless and it will never actually occur. So um yeah. Or wait, no, name equals name. Is that no, that would occur in the case that the primary account is initiating the unlink. Okay, so it does have a purpose. Right, no, the purpose that we were right, no, it was confused though previously with the irrelevant case because in the case that link E was blank and name equal name, that just meant that the accounts were not linked at all in the first place. So yeah, I guess like the else case. So yeah, so right, so the else case. So I'll move this. If linked. So if source equals Twitch and so yeah, if source equals Twitch, uh, and uh, and link E equals blank. or no, we don't have to do that here because this is the else case. Oh, we need it to be the else case. So this is, so in the else case, else if source equals Twitch, then this is where we'll say the we'll say this about tweeting, and then we'll we can get rid of this else case. We can get rid of both of these else cases, and we can just straight up if source. Oh no, wait, no. Oh, so if source not equals Twitch, yeah. I don't know why I said not equals Twitch, because not equals Twitch is the same as equals Twitter, but whatever. And actually, yeah, what I don't want to check, I don't want to check here not equals Twitch. What I want to check here is equals Twitter. I probably should have just called the data sources CH and TER, because the TWIT at the front are the same for Twitch and Twitter, and I'm a nerd. Okay, so save that. Sorry, I meant to be paying attention to that event, and I was gonna actually help out, but I do that a lot, and oftentimes I forget to actually do anything. I'm sorry, I'm a terrible person. Wait a second. We were transitioning out of the cave. That event was supposed to happen in the forest. Weird. I have to clean up how the, yeah. I still have to clean up how the events are timed. Because, like, right now it's like, it works mostly well enough as long as I never touch away mode. But as soon as I touch away mode, it gets all, like, weird and screwy. Alright, so the if fix up business. Actually, I guess, yeah, we only want to do this in the case of fix up. Right, oh, definitely, yeah. So if fix up and source equals. So if fix up, and source equals, yeah, okay. So right, so yeah, so now, yeah, I still need to, so if name, why am I only checking if source is Twitter? It's because if name in backlink dictionary, what is it that we actually want to check here? If name in backlink dictionary, what we want to check is basically if the name matches the source. So yeah, so let's say, so maybe I'll use that stuff that I have written down there, but I'm probably going to replace it instead. So if source, excuse me, if source equals Twitch, and name index 0 not equal oh wait, what I really want here is like XOR. Can I use does Python have XOR? Like the strict alternative case? I assume so. Yeah. Yeah, because really what I want is return so exclusive to A or B. I either want either the source equals Twitch or name index 0 equals the ampersand. Actually, is that really going to help? No, I guess I do have to handle the cases differently. So yeah, no, never mind. I'll just use, oh, well, for one thing, I didn't put the XOR operator in as typed OR. But for another thing, I do actually have to handle these cases differently. So, yeah, I basically, then the else case is, or the else if is source. Actually, do I have to handle like literally all of these cases? So if source equals Twitch. No, yeah, because if the source matches the name, then we don't really have to do anything. So if name in backlink dictionary, does it actually matter if name is in backlink dictionary? It might not matter which dictionary that they're actually in. No, it is different because well, I'll just start writing and then we'll see how, how it plays out. Because if source equals Twitter and wait. Source equals Twitch and name not equal. That's the case where. No, that's the case where we don't have to do anything. So no, actually no, other way around. So if source equals Twitch and name index 0 equals that thing, right? Okay, so then alternately, if source equals Twitter and name index 0 not equal not equal the not the ampersand. I think I called that an ampersand, but no, it's the at symbol. Right. So in this case, we want to add. So we want to add. We want to remove player. Remove player name. And actually, no, we do want to do the same thing in both cases. So we can use the XOR operator. And we want to add player link key is the gist. Oh, wait, but, no, at this point, like, right, because if the source was, right, the source has to, name has to be in the player dictionary. We don't have to check if name is in the player dictionary because, like, this came in through a command, and in order for this command to get processed, the player first would have been added to the player dictionary. So yeah, so we can actually assume the presence of them. And like I don't think it actually matters if they were in the backlink dictionary or the whatnot and the hoo-ha. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I just did that because for whatever reason I was like I didn't previously preclude this scenario wherein link E is blank. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I can just like get rid of like all this stuff. And I don't have to. Oh, link dictionary name equals name. Yeah, that's a good idea. Because yeah, I'll keep that. But no, the rest of this like if present like oh yeah, no, I remember why I was doing this other stuff. It's because yeah, no, so the whole present and like the fade time, that is actually pertinent. That's because hypothetically a player, like just because a player unlinks their account. Okay, so like if a player is playing through Twitch and through Twitter at the same time, hypothetically, it's a weird case, but if they unlink their accounts, we're not supposed to just automatically remove the other account because that other account might be in the game on their own merits at that point. So I might do it the other way around though, because it might be simpler to just remove the player, basically like reload the player, like now that the accounts are separated. Yeah, because like, yeah, probably, because I have to like redo all that stuff anyways. So maybe I'll just like remove both players, remove whatever players are. Yeah, no, I'll just remove whatever. I'll just remove all of the players, which should only be one. So we'll just remove. So yeah. So when we unlink accounts, we'll just automatically. So what is this whole active name? Like yeah, what did I like? Of course, active equals name. Active is never going to equal anything other than name. So like, why did? Oh, wait a second. No, what am I thinking here? This is faulty logic. I was thinking like active might sometimes not equal name, but no. Of course, it always equals name. Um, I guess I was worried about handling like the fix up case, but like yeah, we're not worrying about fix up um, when we call the unlink uh, in other contexts because the only other context we like if we're calling unlink without fix up, then we're handling the states of the player states separately, so we don't have to worry about that stuff. So yeah, so if fix up, then yeah, so we can skip this like active business. So yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do, like, I don't know, I think, okay, I do have to reference back, I do have to, oh right, I do have to reference linked dictionary and backlink dictionary because I have to clear those entries out. That's like basically the only reason I need to reference those things. So yeah, so and actually no, well yes, no, I don't have to check because like at this point we already know that that name is in backlink dictionary, so we can just say backlink dictionary dot pop name, and we can say link dictionary. Oh yeah, so we can say link dictionary name equals name. Actually, we don't even need to do that, but we'll do it anyways. Yeah, no, we should do that. Yeah. Okay. Right, because I was saying like because we're removing and re-adding the player anyways, like it would go through that process anyways. But this will like save a little bit of time, so just do it this way. Um, uh, yeah. Okay. So then we remove the player. Remove. Oh, link dictionary name equals name. Yeah, link dictionary name equals name, and link dictionary linky equals linky, right? Because that's the whole point is that we just rinse those players from each other. So we can say remove player name because we know name was in the player dictionary, and we know the other one wasn't. So the next thing that we do, oh wait, actually, no, we have to check these. Oh yeah. Right. Okay. So actually, no. We have to say like present equals player dictionary index name uh, dot present uh, and then fade time equals player dictionary because we're about to remove this player, and once we remove the player we can no longer reference this player in the player dictionary. So yeah, we'll have to get that all out of our systems in advance. So yeah, let's get rid of all this stuff. I might be doing something. I don't know what I'm doing there. I'll get back to that in a second. So then we remove the player. Oh yeah, so fade time, and that. Okay. So then, then we remove the player, and then what we do is we say, okay, now we have to parcel out the Twitch half and the Twitter half, because we'll need to we need to re-add one of the players, because either present is true or fade time is true, and so we'll say if present, then we'll say Twitch half equals, or no, we'll just say if name. So present refers to the Twitch presence, whereas fade time refers to the Twitter presence, because well, like Twitch players are actually like literally there, like you can be in the channel. Like on Twitter, you only ever like message. You never like enter the channel, and so you're constantly refreshing your fade time instead of having a presence. Okay, so we'll just say if name index 0 equals the at symbol, then we want to add player linky, because if we were present, what we're looking for here is the is not the Twitter player, is the Twitch player. So then in the else case, we will add player name, right? Because if name index 0 not equals the at symbol, then that means the name was in fact the Twitch half all along. And so then it's not an else case, but we also check if what was the conditional, if fade time. But yeah, it's not even like the whole player dictionary blah blah blah. It's just fade time because we just saved it locally as fade time. If fade time is less than time dot time, less than time dot time. I thought it worked the other way. I thought it was if fade time is greater than time dot time. Oh, we were doing it the other way around. We were doing like if not present. If yeah, okay, so it is. Yeah, so fade time is okay. So then yeah. So then again, we just say if name index 0 uh, equals the at symbol. Have I been calling this an ampersand more? I think my nickname for the at symbol is going to be ampersand because I can't. I don't think I don't know if I can stop myself from calling it that. Anyways, I'll just pretend I'm doing it deliberately. So in this case, we'll want to add player name. And in this case, we'll want to add player linked. In the else case, yeah. And I think that's actually what I want to be doing instead of like all this other business. Is there anything here that I need to be doing that I'm not doing? No, I'm pretty sure that was all just like a more confusing attempt at accomplishing what I'm now accomplishing here with this. Yeah. Wait, I didn't have to check like source or anything like that? No, I really don't have to check source in order to determine which player to add because like as much as source is an interesting facet of like how that all works, also uh, just the value of present and the value of fade time will indicate that to me, and they're not mutually exclusive, right? Which is why I don't have to pivot on source. So source literally is just if you disconnect your accounts through Twitter. Huh. Maybe maybe even if you disconnect your accounts through Twitch, it should still send you the tweet. I don't know. I'll just yeah. No, maybe I should still confirm it either way because it's a little weird if it doesn't. Uh, it's a little weird if it doesn't tell you like because if you like earlier when I was testing. I mean, it'll be kind of annoying for test purposes because I don't like when Trusty Bard tweets at me because a lot of people that follow me also follow Trusty Bard, and so they end up seeing all the test tweets that go through. Um, but yeah, no, it's a little bit like earlier when I was like just spamming the channel with like please unlink my account. Like it was a little weird that like just nothing happened in that scenario. Uh, Corporal Kuzin, welcome to the channel. Sorry for mispronouncing your name, but thank you for following. um, all right, so yeah, let's do what now? Yeah, so let's do that. So I guess I'll change the message slightly if like source equals Twitter or not. So so if source equals Twitter, we'll say like tweet string equals done because it's just a oh yeah, we still need to do the at handle business. So we'll say plus equals. Yeah, it'd be a little weird if Trusty Bard says done, if like so I'll say like done lowercase y. That is also the new follow sound. Trampoline Tales, welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for following. um, so yeah, so right, so the message will just be slightly different. So right, so we'll say so tweet string equals we'll start it off with the player's handle. Oops, handle, because that or like handle is what we pass in. The variable that we pass in is the is like so that we can tweet at that player. Oh, I mean hypothetically, I would want the reply to ID here as well. But oh, source. No, wait, source. Why am I sending through source? Why am I sending through source here? It was just wait, is source not what I think it is? Source is supposed to be Twitch or Twitter, I thought. How do I use that in the tweet queue? No, where's the tweetqueue.get? So item equals if item index 1 equals -1. item index 1. I feel like that's what I was putting as source. I feel like I'm trying to use source in that context. I'm trying to use source as the reply to ID, which I feel like shouldn't work. I feel like that shouldn't work. For a few reasons. No, I think I need a different variable there. Or else, like, I could just use it differently. Maybe I did change how it works. Let's see. Yeah, so unlink account, unlink account, no, not this one. The other, not this one. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. It's totally, we're sending through the tweet ID, not the, not like Twitch versus Twitter. So no, when I referenced source, I was doing that wrong. Oh, crepes. No, this is supposed to be like -1 instead. Or like, oh, no, okay. That's why I wasn't saying equals Twitter. I was saying not equals Twitch. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm not a person as I might have surmised. Yeah, so right. Right. So I don't actually want to be saying like equals Twitter. I want to be saying not equals Twitch. Cuz I just use it for two different purposes, I guess, is the thing. Actually no, I can say so equals oh, okay, so I do also have to, no, I can't just like share the string. I have to send out like two like literally different things. So I'll say if source equals Twitch, then we'll say tweet Q. We'll say basically the same thing, except oops, wrong command. Control D. There we go. So this will be the else case. This will be the Twitter case. Oh yeah, source. Wait, if fixup and source not equals Twitter. No, not equals Twitch. Oh, I must have switched it around and not changed it. Okay. Cool. Source Twitch. So if source equals Twitch and then else, yeah. Fun times. I'm tricky. Okay, so then, no, in the case of Twitch though, we don't have a source, so we just say -1. Right, and so that's index 1. This is the index 1 that we were referencing to see whether there's a reply to ID. Okay. And source is the reply to ID. Yes. All right, there it is. There you have it. There you have it, folks. So then, are we good now? Is this now like reasonably done such that we could, oh no, there's one thing that I'm not doing yet, which is yeah, when we're writing data here, sometimes we're not actually supposed to be writing data. Sometimes we're just supposed to be removing the file, which is one thing that I haven't cleaned up yet. So so cdata write string, this is when we're writing the cache. No, it's when we're writing the L data. Write penned, because like what if penned is blank? I think this is the situation. Yeah, I think like penned, what we actually want to be doing is saying if penned is blank, then we like if penned is, yeah, if penned is blank, you're right. So what we say here is instead if penned equals the empty string, then we just say os dot remove dot l. We just remove this file altogether. Otherwise, if there's pending data to write, because alright, so like just because a player is unlinking their account, they could still have like another link pending, right? Like if they're on their way to setting up a different like account linkage, then we don't want to lose that data necessarily. Yeah, so save that, and then oh, I'm scrolled up in chat. I would not be seeing if people were talking. Oh, Jesse Freeman, thank you for hosting. Sorry, I was really scrolled up in chat, so I wasn't even watching. But hey, welcome. We're fixing up the account linking systems because I'm being more conservative with how data works, frankly. Oh, and actually, now that I think about it, I mean, as soon as I changed this, like, it just occurred to me, like, I kind of want to do that thing that I was talking about earlier, where, like, I kind of want to use separate data points for, like, pending versus separate data files for pending links versus like active links, because pending links, pending links. Whoa, wait a second. Sorry, something just occurred to me. The way I'm organizing my data in the player dictionary is a little silly. It's not urgent or anything, but it just occurred to me, like in the player dictionary, um, or karma history, no, karma total. Yeah, I'm being really weird how I'm sorting this. Yeah, oof. All right, I should probably change that. Not that that's urgent, but like just thinking about like how I'm organizing these files and how I'm saving data. Like, it just occurred to me I'm being a little bit silly in some regards there. I won't worry about that right now though. What is uh what is what is the what? Um, yeah, for now we'll just set it up this way and test it, see if it works, and we can try something else instead. Um, so let's okay, so this is good. Where's the yeah? So then there's the other case where we are either going to be writing out pending, or I mean again I'm going to be getting rid of this, but uh right. So here's yeah I'm gonna be getting rid of this anyways, but I don't want to leave it like crudgy in the meantime. So again, if pend equals blank, then we just say os dot remove this file. Otherwise, we write it out. Else we do this. Yeah. Okay. So I think I can probably get rid of these prints now. I won't do it yet because I just don't want to test stuff and see if stuff works. At the end of this event, I'm going to restart the script and I'm going to see if oh, I need to reestablish my player data, I think, because it got deleted last time. Yeah, so let's sorry, so what happened last time? Last time it made a cache for binary. So I'll get rid of the cache because we don't need that cache. And it got it you're right, because of the old system, it just cleared the data files, it didn't actually erase them. So we'll say linked binary, let's say like 515 or so. I forget exactly what it was. I think it was somewhere in that range. And for this one, we'll just say like linked. So I'm not actually like going through the steps to relink the account like the normal way. I'm just like setting up the data the way the game would read it to like see these accounts as linked. So there. We've done that, and then and then um, and then what do we do? Yeah, so then okay, so the event's over. Everyone got their experience. Did anyone level up? Nope, but a few people got some experience, so cool. Now I'm going to stop this. I'm going to restart the script and see what happens with this stuff now. So, did it? Did it reverse? Did it confirm the reverse link? Oops, no. Stop matching case. Okay, so it did confirm the reverse link. So if I look at the data now, nothing should have changed. It should have just read this data in, and it seemed to recognize that our accounts are supposed to be linked. So if I look at binary, for example, like no cache or anything, nothing weird going on here. Good so far. So let's so now in chat, once again I'm gonna say please unlink my account, and when I hit enter, did it crash? It crashed! Yay! I mean, it's something, right? All right, so I'm gonna stop the script because the data thread already crashed, so it's actually just the husk of the script that's still. Whoa! What the heck? Hail? Why are we? What? How did we get here? How on earth did we get here? Oh! Oh! Because we removed the player from the player dictionary. And so it was no longer able to. Wait a second. Well, it did it wrong. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. Okay, wait. No, this is good. We have